G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic home, 3 Stevens Close in the popular suburb of Kawungan. We are high on the hill to capture that prevailing sea breeze and only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD, beach, esplanade and emerald waters of Hervey Bay. Let's go and take a look around. Offering an unrivalled lifestyle in one of Hervey Bay's most popular suburbs, this lovely residence occupies a spacious 733 square metre allotment high on the ridge to capture the prevailing breezes and offers expansive views from upstairs. A fuse of elegance and traditional style exudes throughout, with designated living and entertaining areas. The design reveals a functional and flexible floor plan over 2 levels, being ideal for family living. An inspiring culinary haven, the kitchen features sleek white cabinetry, pantry, premium stainless steel appliances and ample bench space and cupboard storage. Intuitively designed, this kitchen flows to an open plan dining area for hosting more intimate events and includes a bar. From the living area, glass sliding doors create a seamless transition to the outdoor entertaining area and private backyard with garden shed. A separate lounge room allows everyone their own space to enjoy watching their favourite television shows or games and includes split system air conditioning. All 3 spacious bedrooms feature built-in wardrobes, ceiling fans and are cleverly positioned upstairs away from the main entertaining areas. The main bedroom includes a lavish ensuite, walk-in wardrobe and split system air conditioning. The 2 remaining bedrooms are serviced by a contemporary and centrally located bathroom with a separate toilet. The study also includes built-in storage and could double as a 4th bedroom if required. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the large double garage with some storage shelves and internal access. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate and the convenience that comes with being located close to key amenities which include Stockland Shopping Centre, hospitals, school, university, golf course, esplanade, beach and the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD from this charming home. The owners have already committed to another property and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.